Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. I'm going to be pulling the harmonic balancer off of this engine. Going to check the timing chain on it. This is the one I've been having an issue with. Can't get it to run right, so kind of wondering if the timing chain isn't on correctly. Might have missed a tooth off a little bit, I'm not sure. So we're going to pull it, but I'm going to show you how to get this harmonic balancer off for the DIYer. First thing you want to do is take the 4 bolts out. Get access first, but take the 4 bolts out for the pulley. I already took them out. Make that easy. Then you want to loosen up your nut that holds the harmonic balancer on. You want to loosen it up, but you're going to need that nut, so you want to make sure it's screwed in at least this far, because you're going to be putting a puller on here. So next we're going to put a puller on there and pull that out. Okay, get your puller on there. I got a 3-finger puller here that's going to do the job. Hot tip before we get going, I drilled a little hole in the middle of that nut, so the puller will sit in there without slipping and sliding all over the place. So that works out really good. Just got to get the puller on there tight before you start cranking on it. There we go. Should come right off. Kind of wondering if this will do it. Nope. It's going to get a little noisy here for a sec. Hopefully this will work. She's coming. Now it came as far as the nut, so now I'm going to back it off. I'm going to have to take the puller back off. I'm going to back off that nut some more. I don't want to back it off too far, so I'm going to pull it all the way out. Put it right back in. Yeah, you don't want to mess up the crankshaft threads, I'll tell you that. So now it's in probably this far, because there's not a whole lot not a lot of pressure to get it out of there now. So we're going to put the puller back on it. And finish the job here. Let's see. It takes a bit to get the puller back on. Just trying to find that. Trying to find that mark on the nut. Okay, she should come right out of there now. Okay, she's out. So back off the puller. Get the nut out of there. See, I drilled a little bit into that nut and it kept the puller from slipping and sliding all over the place. The puller itself's got a little point on it, so that just helped everything. So now this should just come right off. Yep. It's got a little keyway for the crank. It's got a keyway for the balancer. Let her rip. Let me pulling this whole cover off to check the timing chain. So I just want to make a quick video and show you guys what's going on there. How easy it is to do. You know, you do it right at home, but you're gonna need some pullers. I went to Harbor Freight and I bought a box of pullers from small to big. So I think that's the. I think I might have one more bigger one, but yeah, I got quite a few of the pullers, so they'll pretty much do any job you're looking to do. Yeah, you know, my radiator, I got the radiator out of the way. I got everything out of the way to get right at the balancer. Nice and easy. got the power steering, alternator, everything's ready to go. Whoop. Just gonna pull some bolts on the alternator, or on the water pump, and a couple little other bolts there for this main cover, and bam, I'm at the timing chain. So yeah, just want to make a quick video. Appreciate you guys watching. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.